Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily add or remove C translation option from your Instagram bio. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application and go to your profile. Simply click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner and click on edit profile. There you will see the option of bio. So as you can see, I've written something in other language. So I can see the option of C translation. Once you click on it, you will see the translation in English. Now to remove it, simply head toward your account, go to edit profile and now simply change this language to English. As Instagram only allows the option of C translation to appear on your bio when the language is other than English. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.